Alright, this is a video on the bathroom remodel. I ripped out all the cast iron and replaced it with PVC that goes to the wash machine down that way. Kind of had to zigzag it around stuff. Put a clean out right here. Got a two-way clean out. Of course you can, I've got a clean out down at the end of that 2-inch. I put a two-way here. That up there is coming from the kitchen sink. All right. It's a mess, this plumbing. These water lines are a disaster. The homeowner did it herself. All right, so this is a vent. Fixing to tap it onto that cast iron. All right, that one there goes to the bathroom sink. You can see I redid some of the water lines, not all of them. That goes out to the septic tank. There's the shower. Oh. There's the shower. I got to clean out. I got to clean out right there. That'll be the other bathroom. We'll be tapping in right there. That's it. This one up here is the toilet. Goes up right there. That's it. Whew. Anyhow. It's tough up under here. Whoa. Anyway, I gotta hook that up, that vent. And that vent is heavy, that cast iron pipe. It pushed down on my PVC plumbing there and pushed it down a little, so on that vent, it doesn't matter, it's a vent anyway. That's it. Let me show you. Man, that light. Let me show you this in here. Sorry, being so shaky, I'm on my knees and I've got one hand. I'm on my hand and knees. Anyway, let me stand up here. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, let me get up here, give you a good look. Whew, that's it. Bathroom is gone. Did all this by myself, every bit of it. I do everything myself, no subcontractors. There's my hot and cold coming in and my drain line. Anyway, whew, I believe I'll do floor joists next. We will see you on the next one, friend.